Thailand is well known for its energetic cities and busy tourist attractions, but it also has some of the most beautiful, remote beaches and islands in the world. While popular tourist destinations like Phuket and Koh Samui draw large numbers of visitors, several lesser-known treasures provide a peaceful haven from the bustle. These undiscovered islands and beaches are the definition of paradise, with immaculate scenery, glistening oceans, and a sense of calm that is getting harder to come by. Let's investigate some of the best-kept secrets in Thailand. Number 7. Koh Lake, the Maldives of Thailand. The Andaman Sea island of Koh Lake, which borders Malaysia, is sometimes referred to as the Maldives of Thailand. Included in the Tarutao National Marine Park, this little island is renowned for its breathtaking coral reefs, white sand beaches, and pristine waterways. Koh Lake is still relatively pristine and has managed to hold onto its beauty despite its increasing popularity. Beaches and things to do. Pattaya Beach. This long stretch of pristine white sand is Koh Lake's principal beach, with restaurants and bars lining the shore. The crystal clear, serene waters are ideal for snorkeling and swimming. Sunrise Beach. Found on the island's eastern edge, Sunrise Beach exudes a calmer and more serene aura. It's a wonderful location for a leisurely morning swim and dawn viewing. Scuba diving and snorkeling. Koh Lake is a great place to dive and snorkel because it is surrounded by colorful coral reefs. There is an abundance of marine life in the waterways, such as vibrant fish, sea turtles, and occasionally even reef sharks. Number 6. Koh Noi and Koh Yai, the Twin Islands. The Twin Islands of Koh Noi and Koh Yai are located between Phuket and Krabi in the center of Phang Nga Bay. These islands, with their natural beauty, pristine beaches, and verdant surroundings, provide a window into the essence of traditional Thai island living. Koh Noi. Thak Hau Beach is a calm, undeveloped beach ideal for leisure. With its breathtaking views of Phang Nga Bay, the beach is fringed with swaying palms. Cycling and kayaking. Rent a bike or a kayak and discover the scenic splendor of the island. The mangrove woods and verdant interiors offer a wonderful opportunity to get back to nature. Koh Yai, Low Parrot Beach. This beach is well known for its soft sand and crystal clear waters, making it the ideal place for swimming and tanning. Traditional villages. Discover the native way of life and savor freshly caught seafood in Koh Yai's traditional fishing villages. Number 5. Koh Kradan, a slice of heaven. Known for its breathtaking natural beauty, Koh Kradan is a component of the Hat Chau Mai National Park. The island is a great place for anyone looking for peace and quiet because it is mostly undeveloped, has few resorts, and has little infrastructure. Highlights: Paradise Beach. With its immaculate white sand and turquoise waves, Koh Kradan's main beach lives up to its name. Since the coral reefs are only a short swim from the shore, it's ideal for snorkeling. Sunset Beach. Situated in the western portion of the island, this serene spot provides stunning views of the setting sun as well as a peaceful setting for leisurely evenings. Number 4. Koh Phayan, the unseen island. One of Thailand's best-kept secrets, Koh Phayan is situated close to the Myanmar border. The island has a relaxed, bohemian air and is yet mostly unexplored by tourists. Highlights: Ao Yai Beach. Also referred to as Long Beach, this is Koh Phayan's biggest and busiest beach. The broad, sandy beach is ideal for surfing, swimming, and tanning. Buffalo Bay. If you want to get away from the crowds, Buffalo Bay is the perfect beach because it's more remote and calm. The tranquil waters are ideal for snorkeling and canoeing. Number 3. Koh Kud, the unspoiled paradise. Thailand's fourth largest island is still largely underdeveloped when compared to other well-known travel spots. It is situated close to the Cambodian border. The island is well known for its crystal clear waters, immaculate beaches, and dense forest. Highlights: Klong Chau Beach. Known for having beautiful white sand and crystal-clear waves, Klong Cheo is the most popular beach on Koh Kood. There is a stunning waterfall near the shore that is well worth seeing, O Tapao Beach. Known for its serene atmosphere and breathtaking scenery, O Tapao is yet another stunning beach on the island. It's a fantastic location for sunbathing and swimming. Waterfalls and trekking in the dense jungle, Koh Kood is encircled by a thick jungle, providing ample chances for hiking and discovery. In addition, the island has a number of waterfalls, including Klong Cheo Waterfall and Klong Yai Key Waterfall, which offer pleasant places to relax after a climb. Number 2. Koh Mek, the peaceful retreat. Between Koh Chang and Koh Kood is a little island called Koh Mak. Koh Mak is well known for its beautiful beaches and calm ambience, making it the ideal vacation spot for people who want to get away from the business of larger tourist destinations. Standouts: Koh Beach. This lengthy stretch of white sand beach is perfect for beachcombing, swimming, and tanning. The beach has a serene atmosphere and is bordered by coconut trees. Suan Yai Beach. Known for its crystal-clear seas and coral reefs, Suan Yai is another stunning beach on Koh Mak. It's an excellent location for kayaking and snorkeling, bicycling and exploration. Koh Mak is a small island that is well suited for bicycle exploration. A well-liked method of exploring the island's secret beaches, mangrove woods, and rubber plantations is by renting a bike. Number 1. Koh Lao Liang, the untouched beauty. Koh Lao Liang, also referred to as the Untouched Beauty, is a part of the Petra Islands and is renowned for its immaculate beaches, crystal-clear waters, and striking limestone cliffs. Rock climbers, snorkelers, and anyone seeking a quiet getaway will find paradise on the island. Highlights: rock climbing. Koh Lao Liang is well known for its limestone cliffs, which provide fantastic chances for rock climbing. Climbers of all skill levels can enjoy the island's climbing routes. Snorkeling and diving. Koh Lao Liang's surrounding waters are an excellent place to go snorkeling and diving because they are home to a variety of marine life and vibrant coral reefs. Secluded beaches. The island's beaches are serene and pristine, providing an ideal haven for anyone seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. In conclusion, Thailand's undiscovered islands and beaches provide a haven away from the masses, where the natural world is untouched and time has slowed down. For those looking for tranquility, beauty, and adventure, these lesser-known locations, from the breathtaking coral reefs of Koh Lipe and Koh Rock to the serene beaches of Koh Phaom and Koh Kood, offer the ideal getaway. Thailand's hidden treasures guarantee an amazing experience, whether you're longing on a perfect beach, visiting beautiful jungles, or diving into the crystal-clear waters. By visiting these lesser-known locations, you may fully experience Thailand's unspoiled beauty and tranquility. Subscribe now for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching.